Is your summer container garden looking a little tired? Don't pack it away just yet. With a few simple steps, you can revitalize your pots and planters, transforming them into stunning displays that celebrate the vibrant beauty of autumn. Get ready to extend your gardening joy right through the cooler months. Begin by evaluating your existing plants. Identify which summer annuals have run their course and are ready to be removed. Look for cold-hardy plants that can withstand cooler temperatures and even light frosts. Many perennials and ornamental grasses can transition beautifully into fall. Think about plants like heuchera, purple fountain grass, and certain sedums. These can provide a fantastic base for your autumn design. Once you've decided which plants are staying, it's time for a refresh. Gently remove any spent summer annuals and loosen the roots of the remaining plants. This helps them breathe and prepare for new growth. Add fresh, high-quality potting mix to your containers. This replenishes nutrients and provides a healthy environment for new additions. Don't pack the soil too tightly. Allow for good aeration. When adding new plants, consider the classic thriller, filler, and spiller approach. However, for fall, plant less densely than you would in summer. This accommodates slower growth and prevents overcrowding. For thrillers, incorporate height and drama. Dwarf spruces, red-twig dogwood branches, or tall ornamental grasses, like switchgrass, can create striking vertical elements. Croton also adds fantastic upright color. Stillers provide body and color. Mums are iconic fall blooms, offering a wide array of hues. Ornamental kale and cabbage, with their frilly leaves and vibrant colors, are excellent choices. Pansies and violas will bloom until a hard frost. Don't forget the spillers. Trailing ivy, creeping jenny, or Angelina sedum can cascade over the edges, softening the container's lines. These add texture and visual interest to your autumn arrangement. Beyond plants, add seasonal accents to complete your look. Small pumpkins, gourds, or even dried corn stalks can instantly evoke the spirit of autumn. These rustic touches add warmth and charm. Consider planting a fall veggie container garden. Radishes, spinach, kale, and collard greens thrive in cooler temperatures. They can be both beautiful and provide a quick harvest for your kitchen. To extend the life of your fall containers, mulching is key. A layer of mulch on top of the soil helps insulate roots from fluctuating temperatures and early frosts. This protection is vital for plant survival. In colder climates, you might need to take extra steps. Wrap containers with bubble wrap or burlap for insulation. For very tender plants, consider moving pots to a sheltered location or covering them during severe cold snaps. Once the growing season is truly over, empty your containers, clean them thoroughly to remove any debris, and sanitize them with a bleach solution. This prevents disease and prepares them for next spring. Proper cleaning ensures your pots are ready for reuse, saving you time and effort. Store them in a dry, protected area until you're ready to plant again next season. Transforming your container garden from summer to fall is a rewarding process. With a little planning and creativity, you can enjoy vibrant colors and textures long after the summer blooms fade. Don't let the changing seasons stop your gardening joy. Ready to create your stunning fall display? Grab your gloves and get started today. Share your beautiful fall container creations with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal gardening tips.